Hey CS2 enthusiast, welcome back to our channel, and for today's CS2 tutorial series, we will be delving into an essential aspect of gameplay, and that is accessing the console. The console allows you to enter commands that can enhance your CS2 experience, right? But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And it keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you on board once again. Now let's get right into it. Okay, so accessing the console in Counter-Strike 2 provides players with several essential reasons and benefits, making it a valuable tool for enhancing their gaming experience, right? So here are the primary reasons for doing that. So number one is the console allows players to input various commands known as console commands, which can modify and control various aspects of the game. These commands can range from adjusting in-game settings to customizing gameplay features. Also, console commands offer a high degree of customization. Players can tweak graphic settings, key bindings, crosshair settings, and more to suit their preferences. And players can use the console to fine-tune their game's performance setting. This includes adjusting graphic settings, enabling or disabling certain visual effects, and optimizing frame rates for smoother gameplay. The console is a valuable tool for diagnosing and addressing issues within the game, so players can use console commands to identify performance bottlenecks, resolve graphical glitches, or troubleshoot connectivity problems. And for those people who are looking to improve their skills, the console is indispensable, since it allows players to set up practice scenarios, spawn bots for target practice, and refine their gameplay techniques in a controlled environment. So basically, in competitive matches, players may need to adjust settings related to competitive rules such as round and game settings, and it ensures a fair and balanced competitive environment. Now, all you gotta do is hover here on the settings, go to the game settings, and when you see the enable developer console, all you gotta do, if it's not ticked to, let's say if it's no, all I gotta do is just click on yes, right? And once that, all I gotta do is go to the search bar here and let's say toggle console, and you assign a button for your toggle console. All right, so here, now you can open the console here and you can perform all those optimizations, right? So accessing the console in Counter-Strike 2 offers a wide range of benefits, including performance optimization, customization, troubleshooting, training, and more. And it empowers players to tailor their gaming experience, enhancing their skills, and enjoy a deeper level of control over the game. How cool is that, right? So once again, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channels and leave us a comment if you want some topics for us to discuss in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.